Now, to install it on this chair, I'm going to need to loosen the metal strip which holds the upholstery screws in place, just so that I can slip the band in place. Zoom in a little bit. So I just need to loosen these a little bit, and then I can slip the stainless steel band underneath the upholstery, like so. The saddle has a round hole and kind of a rectangular hole. The round hole faces the front. The barrel-shaped bolt goes in from the back into the rectangular hole, and the nut with washer onto the front. Press it all together. Tighten it up. And you want to get that good and snug. You can retighten the upholstery strips at that point. And so now you've got an M6 threaded hole wherever you want it, and you can use that to attach different kinds of end fittings for belts or other seating accessories on the wheelchair. And there you have it, the Bodypoint band clamp.